كل مكان.
لازم نموت في غزة عشان في صبحية.
عشان نلعب. وانت من الجوع. انقذونا يا الله انقذونا. كل يوم بندوب وجع. امشي يا ارض الله.
لماذا كان العرب؟
وين المساعدات تطلع
تقول لا نعلم ماذا سيحدث.
خسيت يا نتنياهو، والله خسيت يا نتنياهو.
Hello and very warm welcome to RAF Limbs. This is Farooq Hussain. In this hands-on video tutorial, we will learn how we can upgrade Koha old version to new version. So we are not actually migrating or database to new database. We have already did that, but now here I am using Koha 24.11 and I want to upgrade that version to Koha 25.05. That is the current release. After every 6 months Koha release a new version, so we need to upgrade and we need to work accordingly. So it's good actually to upgrade. Okay, now let me show you. I am using Koha 24.11 and I want to upgrade this version to Koha 25.05. So here I have one guide, and what we will do first, let me zoom this. Okay. So what we will do, we will open the Koha list. First we will open the terminal. Control Alt T and activate the admin mode. And now I am going to open the Koha list. If you don't know the location of Koha list, so what you can do, you can locate this. Locate is one of the utility. You just need to install it, app get plocate. So I have already installed it. You just need to install it and then you can search locate Koha list. Although I know the address or the directory of Koha list, but this is just to show you if you don't know about that. So here we need to paste and we need to edit this. I just use gedit, and there you can see we have it's written with 24.11. So we can change this to stable main, stable main version, and save this one and close this one. Not exit here. Okay, when we did, we change the list of Koha, and then what we need to do, we need to update the version line. This version line we have already updated this one, and now we need to update. So what we will do, so we can say app update. Okay, so after this At step number 2, we need to upgrade Koha packages. Here you need to remember if we use this command sudo apt-get upgrade or apt upgrade, it will upgrade the whole system, whole Ubuntu system. So if we use just this command apt upgrade, it will upgrade the whole Ubuntu system including the Koha. But instead of upgrade the whole Ubuntu system and each and everything, we just only upgrade the Koha common, because we want to upgrade Koha common, not all the Ubuntu settings here. This is quite important. If you are using Koha 22.04, so it will upgrade it to Koha 24. So that's actually very difficult to match the dependencies and each and every packages. So instead of doing this, to upgrade the whole Ubuntu system, we actually work with the Koha only. So this command, so apt install only upgrade Koha common, will upgrade the Koha common only. Because most of the people actually work with this command, this one, app upgrade, and it will upgrade the whole Ubuntu or the Linux version and each and everything. And that's actually very difficult to work around. So here it's 42.1 MB. We say yes. We need to check our hardware, either it's capable to work with the Koha 24 or not. And the best operating system till 2027 for Koha, where we have, which I mean, that's version actually checked with all the dependencies, actually Koha Ubuntu 22.04, not Koha 24. But if you would like to install Koha on 24, that's also possible. I mean, it's quite, you can work around. We have some videos on Koha 24. We have installed Koha on Ubuntu 24, in fact Debian also. So you can work as per your limitations, as per your server allowed. It's actually upgrading the database schema for library, and it has upgraded the contract file. It has installed lots of things here. System preferences, news, log. Plugin configuration unchanged. Okay. So whatever the configuration in the last version, it will undo, as I understand this. Okay. Maybe I interpret wrong here. Okay, now clear this. At step number 3, we need to upgrade database schema. Although it say it's upgrading, but we need to upgrade it. For our own satisfaction. Okay. It's done actually, it's already upgraded. Okay, so we need to restart with the Koha common and the mem caches. And this is the longest part. We need to rebuild the zebra index. And we need to work with full. It will take some time. It has 15,000 records, so it will take long time. 1 to 100, 100 to 200, 300, 4, 5, 6. And this way it will work for 15,000 records. So we need to wait here. So I just pause my video here and come back when it waits. Okay, let us see whether it's done or continue. So it has done, and now you can see it has exported the same number. Okay, so after this, we just need to verify. Okay, what we can do, we can go to our Koha system and refresh this. There you can see it's actually 25.05. Further, we can enter here. And we can see now it's 25.05.04. That is the current release. And yes, whole things are here. So we are on the current version. You can check records. Whole setting as it is. And there we have patterns as well. Okay. So we are upgraded to 25.05, and it's a good practice that you will upgrade regularly when there's a new release of Koha library system. So after every 6 months is actually a good practice to upgrade to the new version. So keep watching Reference. Thank you very much for watching Reference. Of course,